Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now after that you'll log in into the Airbnb platform. You need to know that the Airbnb is pronounced as Airbnb and not something else like Airbnb or other things, but Airbnb. And basically it's so easy to use. All you need to do is to rent some place where you are going to pass your trip, and basically all you need to do is to search for a place where you want to travel, and then add the check-in dates, check-out dates, and then you can add the number of the guests, and you can just click on search, and basically you can see in the map like the list of all the hostings that you can find for your travels, and basically you can choose after that any listing that you want. You click on this listing and then you will click on reserve, and basically it will lead you to the payment window. And as you can see, you can have a part payment or you can pay in full, and after that you add the payment method, and then all you do is to request to book, and you will wait for the host to accept your request, and then your travel will be, or your trip will be confirmed, and by that you have rented or you have used Airbnb so easily. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.